Alright, here we go. So, I don't even know what that is. So here's my programs looping program here. So I made it basically out of the syntax that was given to us from the Geeks or Geeks website, and um, I kind of played around with it. Did some, did a bunch of troubleshooting actually with just this syntax here, and just no, it wasn't this one. This one here. 'Cause there was many different ways that you can actually put this one. You can actually put this, you know, have this right in here, and it'll still work. But I just decided to make it cleaner. I have it put it in actual, just its own separate line there. Um, so this is gonna actually print out the sub 3 and 5. If you see that, from there. And there it is. Which technically it's actually supposed to be 23. I'm just gonna send this in and see what I actually get. How am I getting these numbers? And to get these numbers out, just get 23. So it runs and it gives it the right answer, but then there's extra answers past that, which you just need to figure out. There's a bunch of troubleshooting going on with it. Yep, that's it. Thank you.